Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rail assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, the marker pen, and a pair of metal shears. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rail assembly. This rail assembly is located in the refrigerator compartment on the right side. It supports the crisper drawer, allowing it to easily slide in and out. If you are experiencing difficulties pulling out or sliding in the right side crisper drawer, or it won't close completely, it's time to check and replace the rail assembly if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So I'm going to remove the drawers, and then I'm going to remove the crisper drawer cover. Alright, so I'm going to lift up the front just a little bit and then pull out the cover. Be careful, don't break the glass in the middle. Now I'm going to remove two Phillips screws that hold that rail assembly in place using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to pull it from the wall and pull it out. We have this tab here that locks into this opening here. This is the old rail assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you can see that our old one has a little shorter plastic piece here on the side. So older models like ours will have to be adjusted to get installed. If you have a newer model, then you got lucky and you don't have to do anything at all. We're going to use a marker. Put them next to each other together. And it's as you can see that this length is exactly the same length as the rail. I'm going to cut it right here. But then in addition, we have this little cutout here on the top. So that we only have this line here, just highlighted. I'm going to use this metal shear, and we're going to snap this plastic off along the line. And we're going to cut this little channel here. And we're ready for business. Now we're going to install the new and slightly modified rail assembly onto this wall. So this cutout and this tab will have to match. So I'm going to put it in, push it back. And now we're going to match the holes here and secure the rail with a couple of Phillips screws. Now we're going to bring in and install the crisper drawer cover and slide it on. Push it back. And the drawers goes back in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.